Now we are going to study the projectile motion, that is equation of projectile motion. We have to first of all suppose x and y axis, that is y axis, and this is x axis. Let x axis represents the ground and y axis represents the height of the rise of the projectile motion. If a particle is in projectile motion like this and it is at a point P after time t, and its coordinates are x and y, its velocity in this direction of projectile motion is u at a theta angle from the horizontal axis. Now we have to resolve this velocity vector into two components, that is in horizontal component and vertical component. After resolving this velocity vector into two components, that is u cos theta in horizontal direction and u sin theta in vertical direction, this velocity component is responsible for the motion of the particle in horizontal direction, and this velocity component is responsible for the motion of the particle in vertical direction. Okay, we know that is velocity is equal to displacement upon time, that is displacement is equal to velocity into time. Using this formula we have displacement in x and displacement in y, that is displacement is x is represented by x after time t, and displacement in y is represented by y after time t. So displacement in x is equal to velocity, that is u cos theta in horizontal direction, and time taken is, let it would be t, that is equation number 1. And now displacement in vertical direction, that is y, that is equal to u sin theta into t minus half gt square. Here there is no gravitational force acting in horizontal direction, but there is a gravitational force, that is acceleration due to gravity acting by the earth in whenever the motion is in vertical direction. When it is in upward direction, then there is a minus sign, and when the motion is in downward direction, then there is a plus sign. And that how it comes, that is s is equal to ut plus minus half gt square, that is u is initial velocity, here u sin theta. Now from equation 1, that is t is equal to x by u cos theta. Okay, now putting t in equation 2, that is y is equal to, here this is equation 2, y is equal to u sin theta into x divided by u cos theta minus half g x square u square cos square theta. We have now y is equal to, u cancel out here, that is x tan theta sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta minus half g x square divided by u square cos square theta, and this is called the equation of the projectile motion in the vertical direction. Equation of projectile motion. Okay, and we can find out the vertical position of the particle in the projectile motion by using this equation, and in horizontal direction the position of the particle is found out by this formula. Okay, if we know the time and the theta and initial velocity. And that's all.